Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Magical Art with Ananya. So let's learn and quick way to create a scenery. First we'll draw some grass, then we'll draw apple shape with two C's facing each other. We'll draw the leaf and then let's draw apple house today. Let's draw the door, the window. Very simple, right? All with rectangle, see, and the plus sign in between. Now let's add the sun and the clouds. See, we have drawn the scenery in just 1 or 2 minutes. Now, how will you color it? First, to color, the easiest way, whenever you color any object, first draw a border with that color so that when you're coloring inside, the color doesn't go out. Draw a thick border so when you're coloring, the color doesn't go out. So, fill up the whole scenery with a beautiful color. Your scenery should look bright and beautiful, and you know the color of apple is red, so the apple will be red, and color the sun yellow or orange, and see, it is ready. So what you need to do, you need to like, share and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.